My career in the stock market actually began when I finished college. I began out as a retail broker at one of Oldie Discount's private brokerage centers where I expected to be handed my Series 7 book and sent off to the races. Believe it or not, the first book they handed me was William J. O'Neill's book, How to Make Money in Stocks. Long story short, I had a client of mine that I got along with really well who was a big Bill O'Neill fan, had been to a ton of his workshops. One thing led to another. I was introduced to him and I was hired to work in their institutional services group. My time at William O'Neill was filled with fantastic experiences. It started off in institutional sales where I actually met my partner Andre when he was running his hedge fund. It wasn't too long after that that I found myself in a portfolio manager's seat managing money for William O'Neill. In addition to that, not only am I getting to work hand in hand with one of the greatest stock market masters, I've got to work on research projects with him, including one of the in-house proprietary model books. So it would have been hard to believe that I could have beat that experience that I had at William O'Neill. But as chance had it, the experience got better. I found myself working with one of Fidelity's top mutual fund managers. We ran a hedge fund together in New York for 6 years very successfully. He's now retired, and that's the point where Andre and I got back together, where we've been managing our own money for the last 3 years and put together 11charts.com.
Hi, I'm Andre Neidick, and a little bit about myself. I've been involved in the securities industry since the mid-90s as an independent and individual trader, trading my own account and money, sort of the old-fashioned way to start. And over the years, that has evolved into an institutional operation, money manager. And so I've been doing this for 15, 18 years, weekly, daily, sometimes printing charts, and sometimes going back to stocks in the 1920s and the 1930s and marking those up. That was the genesis for us starting 11 Charts, was marking up charts that we said, mark them up by hand, send them out. Friends would circulate around our friends and some friends who were institutional caliber investors, and that became the genesis for us starting 11 Charts.
I think that's the beautiful thing now about 11 Charts, because we remain very flexible, we don't let our egos get in the way, and we are able to express everything that we're thinking and doing in that 11 Charts. And I think there's a lot of guys out there who might just write about the market, but we're writing about what we're doing, and what we're doing is how we keep the lights on and food on the table.